know this for sure. I know this for sure. Nike is going to be around. And all your sneakers, you can't hand me down. So while Nike is around, all your sneakers, you can't hand me down. Oh, I hope my kid wear the same size as me. You sound stupid. It sounds stupid. Because if you sit there and you ask her, yo, you want $1 million? Hell yeah, I want $1 million. How you gonna make the $1 million? I don't know. Ghetto. You want to learn how to develop good saving habits? Learn how to invest. It's a beautiful time right now to be in the stock market. Beautiful. And it's always going to be a good time. Get involved. Learn something. Learn something new. If you want to learn how to buy your first stock, holla. It's that easy. I mean, it's easy as just having $40 and putting it to the side, and $50 putting it to the side, $25 putting it to the side. Anytime you got some money to the side, don't buy consumer goods all the time. Buy the company, buy the share. Instead of buying a pair of Jordans, a pair of Nikes, every time you get paid, you balance yourself out. Pair of Nikes, Nike stock. Pair of Nikes, some share stock. Because you'll be better off winning. I know this for sure. I know this for sure. Nike is gonna be around. And all your sneakers, you can't hand me down. So while Nike is around, all your sneakers, you can't hand me down. Oh, I hope my kid wear the same size as me. You sound stupid. It sounds stupid. But now if you put some money in that Nike, like, let me tell you, this is just real. My daughter, let me give y'all some advice. Instead of buying Christmas and buying all this stupid stuff, you know you got family members. You know the kids got family members, right? You be seeing everybody else just purchasing things. I tell all the family members, don't give my kid none of that stuff. If you do want to give her something, give her a little gift card, or you can give her some cash. I write out a little check. I go put it in her bank account. I go put it in her investment account. Bank account, transfer to the investment account. It's that easy. It's that easy. Because let me tell you this, right? My daughter is going to love me. Like, it don't make no sense. Like, really, like, oh my goodness. I'm happy you didn't get me all that dumb shit. I'm happy you didn't buy all that extra stuff that I don't even need right now. I don't play with dolls or none of that right now. I don't play with none of that stuff right now. But I'm going to need that money. I'm going to need that money. I'm going to need that money. Why? Because money is like air. You can't breathe. You can't do nothing. Sit around and be mad and damn depressed and just the bad energy come out. You can see the bad energy in a person. When a person just got a bunch of bills piled up. They going through it. They can't pay their bills. But they lazy, so they could pay their bills, but they just lazy. Gotta develop good habits of saving. I love to buy stock. it gets to the point that you start buying some. Let's say you buy a stock once a month. Once a month. Because you pay off all your overhead, you pay your bills, and then you buy stock once a month. Once a month you buy a stock. Boom, boom. You start developing a habit, and then you're actually watching the money grow. You actually watching the money grow. I'm not telling you trade. I'm telling you invest. Invest. Standard. S&P 500. SPY. VOO. Invest in one of those. 500 companies. It mimic the market. It mimic the 500 largest companies in America. It mimics them. Get in. Get your piece of the pie. Get your rate of return. Get your return on investment. That's what I call building. That's what I call building, because something small compounds. And it gets bigger and bigger and bigger. It's like a snowball and rolling a snowball in snow. It's like having a pile of cookie dough, right? And you just keep rolling the cookie dough and keep rolling the cookie dough. What's going to happen? It's going to get big. Big ass cookie. Big snowball. Then you could be generous. Then you could give. So you don't complain about when you give somebody something. Bam, lit the ghetto, man. Like, comment, and subscribe. And it's that easy. Just people don't bother. They don't care about saving. They don't care about investing. You care about the lottery. You care about the lottery. Because if you sit there and you ask them, yo, you want $1 million? Hell yeah, I want $1 million. How you gonna make the $1 million? I don't know. Ghetto.